board a matatu ready to go to their places. I just want to speak to some of them so that we can get to hear wanasemaje kuhusiana na uongozi wa Rais Ruto. Mwaka mmoja tangu achukue hatamu za uongozi hapa nchini, and there is a lady here by the name Nyambura. Amesema atatupatia mawili matatu. Ni aje sister?
Poa sana.
Uko Aital?
Safi.
Uko best?
Kabisa.
Amazing sana. Wewe unasemaje kuhusiana na uongozi wa Rais Ruto 1 year since he took over power?
I think things have been crazy, for lack of a better word. Changes have been crazy. When you see the housing levy that was just imposed, mostly to the people who are employed, it's a bit crazy because you're wondering, for one of the questions that I would ask myself is like, I live in my own house, why would I pay housing levy again? Am I sure I'll get that house? Do I even need it as of the moment? Because I already own a house, so why would I pay another housing levy? But at the same time, we want to give them time, and we feel 1 year is not enough for me to judge them. We want to still have some hope in them. We hope that they will do the best and they will not disappoint us. Coming in the next 5 years, in the next 2 years actually, come in the next 1 year, they should do something better. For the housing levy, not so good about it. About the health, we heard of something else that is supposed to come up apart from NHIF. Let's see how it goes. I'm not so sure. Every day levies are being imposed. So tomorrow we are not sure whether we'll be paying levy for this road. But anyway, we hope for the best.
Appreciate it, Nyambura. Mambo vipi champe? Uko Aital?
Niko Aital.
Yeah, to go live on Citizen Television, Kenya's #1 TV station. What's your take about Ruto's leadership 1 year down the line?
For me, what we should do is just have hope, have faith, and then see everything flow.
Wewe unafeel nika gharama ya maisha na kupeleka namna gani kama youth man?
Nika youth man nimesikiza impact, siwezi kataa. But saa watu ile tutafanya tu ni kukubali, adjust na kubali to have faith.
So tunago na imani. Kama kuna area moja ungependa kushauri gova iangalie especially masuala ya vijana, ingekuwa area gani ya life?
Hustling job, secure job, kama for me jobs mostly.
Mawera.
Tupate wera jo, na pia tupate shughuli za kufanya, at least tuko tu sawa.
Wewe sasa uko na wera ama bado uko searching?
Kwa mimi niko chuo, nilikuwa na wera but sasa venye gaveli change kiplani, impact nimesikizia. Sasa bado nimeenda section B. Sasa niko chuo, sasa niko attachment currently. Niko chuo bado.
Amazing.
Niko chuo.
Sawa, so umesema tuende na hope.
Kwetu na hope.
Tuwapatie time tuone kama wata improve things. Aital sana, hapa hivi ni area ya katikati mwa jiji la Nairobi. Sijui kama tungekaa, a few of them will be imechomoka yo. Wasapi? Naambia kuna mwingine hapa, ni aje youth man? Oh, kuna Max. Okay, Jeff Koinange na Lulu Hassan na wengine wote ambao wako studio. As you can see, these are some of the Kenyans actually wanaabiri matatu kuelekea sehemu zao za home, and I want to see whether I can get 1 or 2 more individuals who can just tell us what they feel about this current administration. Bingwa, mwenye umevaa tai, mambo vipi?
Fiti.
Unakaa maridadi sana.
Thank you very much.
Umetoka job sasa?
Yeah, nimetoka job. Yes.
Unasemaje kuhusiana na uongozi wa Ruto mwaka moja tangu achukua hatamu za uongozi?
Well, I'll speak in English.
Yes, sir.
Well, I don't feel it at all. Other than the plans that they keep on telling us about, I'm yet to see those plans being implemented. The cost of living is just unmanageable. As you can see, I'm carrying a bag worth of household goods I've just bought worth 6,000 shillings. Right. So even one water would be carrying in this bag worth 6,000 shillings. And truly, I don't really feel it.
Okay, which area especially do you feel like you're feeling the pain the most?
I've just bought a 2 package of sugar at 450 shillings. Yeah. So obviously that it shows you that the cost of basic commodities are not just acceptable. Okay. If they could just do something towards to help that, that's what we are looking forward to. And also the other things, our pay slips keep on shrinking. Yeah. I wonder whether they're going to manage the economy entirely from taxes and shrinking our disposable incomes.
Thank you very much.
I mean, without our ability to purchase, it will have a trickle effect on those other economics. Yes.
Amazing, Sana. You've heard it from the horse's mouth. These are just a section of Kenyans who are actually pouring their hearts out, wanting us to understand the pain that they're going through. Some of them still hoping that things are going to get better. Time ikiendelea. I will have to toss it back to you guys in studio so that you can engage the experts, and you will wonder why I cut it short very fast. Ni kwa sababu kuna mahali nafaa kwenda na ni sahi isiyo design, inakuwa true, inakuwa bei, inakuwa amazing, inakuwa ni Itali Gunza the street disciple.
Aital.
Patrick Gunza there, born